Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipe ideas and tips. Anyway, today we make you a simple one, cucumber tea, guys. It's just amazing recipe, you know what I mean? I was doing some research and I recognize that cucumber have so much benefit. I need to share it with the fans then to tell you what you can do at home with your cucumber. Also, don't chuck them in the bin. It's good for you to eat it, and also you can use the water to wash your face. So many things. But I make you a drink today, cucumber tea with a little pinch of ginger and honey. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Don't go anywhere. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We are there for you. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely cucumber tea at home. First thing what we're going to do, we're going to pour 2 cups of water inside of a pot like this, and then we're going to put this on the stove for it to boil for roughly about until it get boiled. What we're going to do now, I just put it on the stove, so we're going to lower that for it to boil up first, then we're going to add the cucumber to it. Alright, right over here I have a cucumber. Washed it off first. That's the main thing you want to do. You want to wash your ingredients, and I'm going to couple a couple slices of cucumber. Roughly about half of the cucumber, as you can see. Nice one. So guys, as I can see, we're going to make you a cucumber tea, because the reason why I said cucumber tea, cucumber is really good for, it have a lot of benefit, especially when it comes to health benefit, and also cucumber help do to fight against certain cancer inside of your body, and also it help you to lose weight. So basically we're going to make you cucumber tea, and also it can give you a flat tummy. Alright, so this, hopefully you will find this one really interesting from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much to tune in, watching my show. Don't go anywhere. I love the guys. As I can see, the water start to boil up, and all I'm going to do is to put my cucumber inside of it like this, and then use my wooden spoon, working the cucumber through the water. I let this boil for about 3 seconds. Lovely and nice. So basically what we're going to do is just going to pop a little bit of ginger powder inside of it. Not too much, just a little pinch of ginger powder. I don't want it to kill the flavor of the cucumber. Nice one. And the best cucumber is to use, special, is the organic cucumber, or you use your one which you grow at home to lose weight. This is very important, guys, so let's give it a taste. Nice one. Lovely and nice. As you can see exactly what's going on. So now this is finished, and all I'm going to do is strain it. Nice one. I got a strainer right here. Now all I'm going to do is to do a thing like this and strain it off. So as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Then we will move to the next level of this cucumber tea. So I just strain it off and leave it for it to cool down for roughly about 10 minutes. So basically not too hot. That's it, can go into my glass. So that's the cucumber and the ginger tea right here. Good for a flat tummy. And as I said before, these ingredients right here have a lot of benefit, but the best one to use is organic. I would say the one which you grow at home, or the one which they not use with a chemical. That's the best cucumber to use to lose, get a nice lovely flat tummy. And also what we're going to do, I have some This is some original honey. This one is not with the sugar. This is the best honey to use, is organic honey. And basically what I'm going to do is simply spray, put a little bit more of about a teaspoon inside of my cucumber tea right here with a little bit of ginger inside of it. Really amazing recipe, guys. And as I said before, the cucumber have a lot of benefit, and the cucumber do help to fight against a lot of stuff inside of your system. And you can do your own research on the internet about cucumber. There's a lot of benefits in it. Basically what I'm going to do is pour some in my glass like this and see how it look. The first thing what you can do is to drink this in the morning before you have your breakfast, or before you go to your bed. You can drink a glass of this cucumber tea before you go to your bed. It's amazing recipe, guys, and I'm telling you, you can do your own research, and there's a lot of benefit in cucumber, and it do help you to fight against even prostate cancer or a lot of things inside of your system. It got a lot of health benefit, and also it's good for losing weight, flat tummy, and also good for a lot of different stuff. Do your own research before you can make my tea, my cucumber tea, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you so much to tune in with the show, and don't go anywhere with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye bye.